Hey guys, welcome back to another video. Well, today we're going to be playing some Happy Wheels. So, yeah. And before we actually play while it's loading, go down below, like, subscribe, turn notifications, and comment down below what video you should like to see me do. Because I can do pretty much anything. I am not controlling it right now. Yet. So I'm gonna skip this. And see that. Okay, so I'm controlling it now. Oh! Whoa! I don't know. Okay, I've not played it in a while, so I have kind of forgot the controls. Oh! Oh! I lost my kid. Probably have a kid now. Oh. Ow. That hurt. I guess I'm going off the table. Kid's kicking himself in the face. Push it. Push it. I want to push it. I pushed it. I died. I'm alive. Wait, what? Wait, what? Wait, what? Yes. I can't get him. I think I failed. No. I'll admit defeat. I admit defeat on this. Yeah. I think I'm dead. Couldn't try it again. No, I know what we're doing. What? I'm not controlling this. Okay, there we go. I'm over, yay. Wait, are we gonna... Ew, she cut her own finger off. There's a burn in the pan. Yeah, I just noticed that. Ew, that is disgusting. Okay, well... Also, I have got my own Fortnite channel now, which I've not uploaded for a bit. I might upload one later. But because I play Xbox One X, I cannot video it, so it's not like this where you can't really see the TV. It's kinda just open. I'm just gonna skip that. How do you... Wait. Ow, I think I'm missing something here. Oh, my kid's lost an arm. Okay. If your kid lives in Elm, what do you do? Because I've not got a kid, so I don't know. Oh! I just willied up that. Ow. Ow! Ooh, there goes my kid. Whee! I'm alive. My kid's not, but I am. What's every... Don't know if that's pressed the button. No. Again! I always die at this point. I died again. You know what? No. We're gonna go on a different one because I've spent 5.5 minutes on that one. Let's go Pokemon training. If you want to play this game yourself, just go to totaljetface.com and you should find it there. Happy Wheels. We are gonna be my favorite one. I choose you. Oh, it's Pokemon. I didn't even notice. Was I meant to kill him? Yes, I was. Okay. I don't think I was actually. Now I think about it. I choose you. And nope. Nope. Let's go. Ow! That hurt. Just keep. And what's next? Jigglypuff coming soon. To be honest, not really bothered. Oh! I'm pretty sure he's already there. It says coming soon, but... Oh. I gotta hurry. I think I'm dead. Do you think he's dead? I'm gonna give this one more try, and I'm gonna play another 3 tries. Okay, I am trying to click menu. Apparently I'm not dead. I'm pretty sure I'm dead. I'm gonna refresh the page. Because I'm dead and it won't let me. Oh, something about the main page. Let's start. So we're just gonna go back to Pokemon training, do that one more time. Same person, and forget that I had to reload it. I choose you! The Pokemon gym. No, move, move. No. Ow! That hurts. Just ignore it. Nope, I'm out. Nope. Nope, I'm out. I went further than I did last time, but I've currently only got one hand and 0 legs. Ha! Final showdown. Go forward. Nope. I don't know why my scooter's gone. Wait, where's the child down here? Okay. We made it pretty close. Oh, my screen van is coming down my road. And I think for the last one, or maybe not, I don't know, I might do another one. I'm gonna do the obstacle, not the obstacle course, BMX thing. I have done it before, but like, still a sick one to do. Oh, clutch. I'm not actually this good on a bike. Yep, I'd definitely not do that. Oh, I lost my kid. Again. Apparently I have a kid. Wait, Timber. Oh, I think I can pass the victory line. So, I think that's, you know, I was going to say it was a good time to end off, but, you know, we're going to do the obstacle course, and then we'll head off, because I already completed it. I've not played this. Oh, crap. Crap. Ow. I want to say that hurts. Because it looks like it would. I think it's out, to be honest. I think it's out of darts. There we go. Ow. Play extremely careful here. Smiley face. Yep, I definitely was not. Harpoon ahead. Cool. Let's do it again. This time, epic jump. Nope. Oh crap. Oh crap. Well, we will do it. We will. Now restart this level. Let's go. Oh! Granddad lives today. My son lives today. I don't live today. I live today. My son lives today. I'm pretty sure we're both dead. No, my son's actually alright. Like, I'm not. I'm kind of dead in a car accident. Normally, my son dies. Son, don't. Oh. Ow. Ow. That must hurt. I'm not dead, but I'm kind of stuck, so. Should we start the level one more time? Last try, and then we're gonna end off the video. Whether we make it or not. Oh! Same death. Okay. So, we're gonna end the video here. And yeah, I hope you, like I said at the start, I hope you enjoy. Like, subscribe, turn on notifications. And yeah, comment down below what you want to see me do. And also, if you haven't, like, I got this idea of someone called Dan TDM. If you've not subscribed to him, go subscribe. He's called Dan TDM. I've still not figured out how to put links in the description yet. Hopefully I'll figure that out very soon. So if you know, please comment down below on that, because that would help me out so much. And yeah, bye.